Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick feature update related to payment links. So let's just go to payment links. If we just open one or create one or whatever, now we can add quantities. So if we look on down here on the left side, you can do the checkbox, let customers adjust quantities. It shows up here. We can do a minimum and a maximum, right? So let's say we're selling, I don't know, it's a mess here, but let's say we're selling a t-shirt, right? But we can only do up to 10, right? But we can sell more than one. Or we can do, let's say you have to buy a minimum of 5 and then the maximum is like 500, whatever, right? We can do that. And yeah, and this, let's just change that. But you can set a minimum and a maximum quantity in payment links now. So that kind of gives you extra flexibility, especially for like physical products or like, for, I don't know, if you sell tickets or something to like an event, and it's a possibility as well. So yeah, that's under payment links. Make sure to go check that out. It's just a checkbox and set the numbers. I think by default it was like 1 to 10, but you got to test that out. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure. Yeah. But if you have any questions about this, anything else Funneltopia related, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Also, obviously, for VIP clients, you can do a VIP call. If you have more than a couple questions, then this will be probably quicker. But if you have no questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.